Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Mayo Clinic Diet app is and how it's positioned. The Mayo Clinic Diet app is a mobile companion to the new Mayo Clinic Diet digital platform that provides structured tools to support healthy eating and habit change as part of a comprehensive weight management approach developed and approved by Mayo Clinic experts. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app's general purpose is to help users follow the new Mayo Clinic Diet program on the go by offering digital tools that support planning, tracking, and habit optimization. Verified features include a new diet score designed to help users track adherence to the structured program and evaluate progress as they follow the diet guidelines. The app provides flexible meal plans with menus such as Original Mayo Clinic Diet, Healthy Keto, Higher Protein, Vegetarian, Mediterranean, and protein balance to match diverse dietary preferences. A habit optimizer function helps users identify and replace unhealthy habits with healthier alternatives rooted in program principles. There is a food tracker with a database of over 1 million foods, including a barcode scanner to log food group servings aligned with the Mayo Clinic Diet structure. The app includes a recipe search feature that lets users find and explore healthy meals consistent with recommended eating plans. It also features a weight tracker that records weight, body measurements, and weigh-in selfies to help users monitor changes over time. There are at-home exercise plans requiring no equipment intended to support activity levels alongside diet tracking. Subscription details are documented in official app descriptions, with the program available on a 3-month auto-renewing subscription basis. This app may be useful for individuals looking for a structured weight management framework tied to the Mayo Clinic's guidelines, especially if they want integrated planning and tracking tools. For users interested in guided meal plans, food and weight tracking, habit changes, and routines that support long-term healthy eating, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.